Yeah. You got KABA E.O.T, baby. And you know we do this shit for fun. It's a fire alarm, baby. 13th sign. Ophiuchus coming through with the motherfucking constellations that y'all niggas talking about, but y'all niggas really wasting y'all time on that Gregorian calendar, that western shit that is backwards. Man, this shit is like, whoa, slow your roll, nigga, do what I do. Keep the bitch on control for you, and if you don't, then she gon' go for the crew. Hold up, nigga, what? Whoop-de-doop, alley-oop, nigga. Used to hoop back, bring shoot, nigga, with a young nigga. Like, hold up, young nigga, call me Lil Penny. Young nigga don't know what it is, I'ma go with it. Hold up, nigga, I was the man that was assistant, then I would shoot the bag. I don't really give a fuck what you talking about. Hold up, nigga, what you gonna do with that? Y'all niggas is bullshit, y'all bullshit. Y'all don't wanna even feel this. And if you did, nigga, hold up, man, when I spit that, y'all gon' feel that real shit. It's a bit, nigga, when I do it, never spit. Never nigga spitting off the written. Nigga, I'ma have to be off that dome, nigga, hold up, nigga, I do it at home, nigga, I don't really give a fuck, they say I'm wrong, nigga, I don't really give a fuck, nigga, I'm grown, nigga, hold up, but I'm still a child, Benjamin Button, I'm really wild, I don't really give a fuck, I'm really style, feel like my versatile, ooh, feeling like now, it's my style, ooh, my time, man, I'm with the divine, ooh, yeah, you know that you lying, ooh, yeah, that you know that you blind, I got the 420s, so you know me, man, I'm gonna make money, it's my invention, so you know I'm running, hold up, nigga, you know you niggas dummies, nigga, you wanna get with it, and if you gon' get it, then you gonna split it, hold up, nigga, I done did it, hold up, nigga, I done run with it, I done killed it, I done flipped it and dipped it, hold up, nigga, you can't set trip with this shit that I did, cause it's ridiculous, now, nigga, you can't lick at this, cause I just licked the bitch right up in her clit, ooh, right up in her clit, right up in her butt, I ain't really give a fuck, yeah, she wanted to fuck me, young nigga just really wanted that, I felt so cool, though. Young nigga did it, then I took that bitch to school though. Cause you know I'm a teacher, master teacher. Had to do what I could, that's to do to just to reach it. Bitch, I'm in a strip club with a couple of bitches and some thugs, and some goons, and some hugs. I don't really give a fuck what they love. Nigga, I stay with the one divine spirit that's all in this. I don't really give a fuck, nigga, no beginning, and it ain't no end. Nigga, I'm just blending, flexible and adaptable. Nigga, don't know, I will grab your soul and then I give it back like it's control. Yeah, let it go, nigga, let the ego die, nigga, let the pride go to the side. What the fuck a nigga talking about? Nigga talking like he really got. Nigga, what the fuck, can you fly? Can you do something different than I see in my eye? What the fuck is y'all talking about? What the fuck, nigga, know when you're lying?